Okay, now we do the evaluation for the next hour of image. I will check from math, science, computer, English,
Yes.
and mathematica. So we just start from the homework of math.
Yes.
You double five makes double six. So this concept of doubling the number is just like you times two or you make it five. What is the operation of this one? So
Double five.
double five.
Double five makes it means they need to count two times with the same number. So we have provide picture here, so they just count how many the total.
Two times or five plus five.
Plus
So
five. I mean the
okay,
five. Yes, double five means
double five.
five plus five with the same number.
So because it's just the same, right? Five times two or five plus five. But in the book they teach about five plus five.
Yes.
Okay, doubles five makes five plus five equal to 10.
Yes, it's 10. Yes.
Okay. So it means for this question, they just need to count how many box
Yeah.
inside, how many box they provide in the picture. Okay, we just go to part B.
Part B, we match the question with the correct answer. Number one is double. What is double? It means two times as much. And the number two, share. It's give something to others. Count means find the total number. Frames is borders around object, and thick means mark showing correct.
Okay, so no. So next,
For this, they can choose the answer in the box. For number one, double blank 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 is 12. The answer is 6. Number two, double 8 is 16. Number three, blank 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 and blank 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 can make 20. The answer is 10 and 10 because 10 plus 10 can make 20. And the number four, blank 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 and blank 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 can make 6. The answer is 3 and 3 because 3 plus 3 is 6. And the last one, double 4 makes 8.
okay, now we go to computer. We start from the first question.
Computer number one, to save the image with high quality, which file format be selected is a PNG. Number two, what needs to be done to save the image? The answer is A. Click save as. Number three, how can the image be saved quickly? The answer is A. Press Ctrl plus S. And then number four, what will appear after clicking the PNG picture option? The answer is B. A new dialog box.
Okay, let me check first. Click. We done to save the image. Control X and new the box. Next, number five.
Number five, what is the name of the icon beside it? Is B. Save as.
Save as.
Yes. Part B.
Okay, part B.
We match the words with the correct answer. Number one, different. Different is not the same. And then number two, eraser is remove pencil mark. Number three, across means from one side. Number four, file name is place to type file name. And then click save is to save the file.
Okay, so next we go to English. Start from the first question.
Okay, number one, please write five foods that you know. The answer can be vary. They can see from the book. We have so many example of food in our book. We can say cake, chicken, fish, and then pizza, and then sausage. And for number two, please write the best answer for the conversation. Do you have an ice cream? The answer, yes, I have an ice cream.
Yes, I have an ice cream.
Yes, number three, based from the picture, meat in a tube shape is called sausage.
Meat, yeah.
Number four,
Number
a-
four.
amazing trick that surprised everyone is called magic.
Number five.
Okay, number 5, please write 3 healthy food that you know from the picture on page 46. So the student needs to open the book. 46, it can be chicken, fish, chicken, fish, and vegetables.
Okay. So for this one,
They make the incorrect letter to the correct letters. Like for number 1, it steak. Number 2, sausage. Number 3 is cake. Number 4 is peas. Number 5, it's pizza.
okay. Next we move to Matematika.
Matematika, perhatikan gambar di bawah ini. Gambar tersebut merupakan bentuk bangun datar segi 4. Nomor 2, perhatikan gambar di bawah ini.
Di buku sebentar Miss. Di buku yang dijelaskan ini bangun datarnya segi 4 atau persegi panjang?
Segi 4. Segi 4, Sir. Kita nggak diklasifikasikan dalam persegi atau persegi panjang.
Oke.
Hanya segi 4, ya. Nomor 2, perhatikan gambar. Gambar tersebut merupakan bentuk bangun datar segitiga. Sorry untuk nomor.
Okay, let me check. Okay. Okay, next.
Nomor 3, perhatikan gambar di bawah ini. Gambar tersebut merupakan bentuk bangun datar persegi. Jadi yang pertama tadi sebenarnya persegi panjang, Sa.
Persegi panjang.
Iya, persegi panjang, segitiga, persegi. Dan yang untuk ini, gambar tersebut merupakan bentuk bangun datar lingkaran.
Lingkaran. Number 5.
Nomor 5, tuliskan 4 nama bangun datar yang kamu ketahui. Persegi panjang, persegi, segitiga, dan lingkaran.
Oke. Sini.
Ini kita menghitung total persegi, segi 4, segitiga, dan lingkaran. Nomor 1, pada gambar tersebut terdapat berapa bangun datar lingkaran. Jadi kita hitung ada berapa lingkaran. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Jadi lingkaran itu ada 6. Sesuai dengan gambarnya.
Okay, next.
Lalu nomor 2. Nomor 2, pada gambar tersebut terdapat berapa banyak segi 4. Kita hitung segi 4-nya. Dimulai dari yang terdepan dulu. Yang ungu 1, 2, 3. Yang kuning 4, 5, 6. Yang merah 7, 8. Jadi ada 8 segi 4.
8
Ya.
segi 4.
Nomor 3, pada gambar ada berapa banyak bangun datar segitiga, yaitu ada di atap rumahnya yang warna biru 1, 2, 3. Sama yang hijau 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ada 5 segitiga.
Oke, Miss. Ini untuk yang segi bangun datar. Ini untuk segi 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Tadi ada berapa? 7, 8 ya?
Iya, ada 8.
Oke. Tapi sebenarnya ini sedikit gimana ya? Bagaimana saya bilang? Ini seperti bagian merah ini sebenarnya kalau kita gambar, karena kan dia bicara tentang sisi 2 dimensi kan. Ya. Bentuknya pasti bukan segi 4 itu karena tertutup sama segitiga.
Mungkin karena yang alas garis bawahnya ini kan, misalkan dia garis lurus, walaupun atasnya ada segitiga. Berarti dia kombinasi antara segi 4 dan segitiga di satu tempat yang sama.
Oke, ini referensi soalnya dari buku.
Iya, karena dari buku hanya dibilang segi 4, ada gambar rumah yang berapa banyak segi 4, berapa banyak lingkaran gitu.
Oke. Ya.
Nomor 4, bangun datar segitiga memiliki 3 buah sisi. Nomor 5, bangun datar segi 4 memiliki 4 buah sisi.
Oke, lanjut ke
bagian B, kita hubungkan pernyataan dengan jawaban yang benar. Bangun datar itu adalah bentuk datar dari suatu benda. Segi 4 yaitu bentuk yang memiliki 4 sisi. Segitiga yaitu bentuk Segi empat yaitu bentuk yang memiliki 4 sisi, segitiga bentuk yang memiliki 3 sisi, tandai yaitu memberi tanda pada sesuatu, dan lengkung yaitu garis melengkung yang tidak lurus.
Okay, now we just move to book. I will open some book here. Okay, so for computer, we'll check from page 43 only.
Yes.
Four, three, three.
Yes.
Okay, how to save in a picture? There is some feature that the computer or our computer provide to us. Both of these feature actually about the save as and the save. So can you mention the difference between save as and save?
If save, we just save in one file. Like for save as, we can choose where we want to save the file. For example, like in a document, in a downloads, or you can want to make a new folder. So save as and save is different. Save is in general. When we want to save the file in general, we can put in a general file. But in save as, we can choose where we want to save the file, and then we can also choose the format like PNG, PDF, or Word, Excel, like that.
Okay, it means here the save as allow us to save in some condition, right?
Yes.
We can choose the format, we can choose
Yes,
the
we can choose
location.
the format and the location of the file.
Okay. So explain the difference between save and save as. Okay, let's move to the math. Math will be taken from 89 until 94. 89. Oh, this one. Okay, maybe you can solve this question.
Well, okay. I need the marker. In here, Eddie said that my number is more than 3. When I double it, the answer is less than 13. So Eddie said the number is more than 3. So it's of course not 1, 2, or 3, but 4. We can start from 4. And then when he doubles it, the answer is less than 13, not more than 13. So we can make double 4. We can try one by one. Now, double 4 is 8. And then it is, yes, less than 13, but we can try another one. 5, double 5, 5 and 5, it can make 10, and it is also less than 13. And we can also try another 6 and 6, it's 12, and it's still less than 13. And then if you want to try another number, 7 and 7, it's 14. So this is wrong because Eddie said that the number, if we double it, then the total number is 13, less than 13. So it's not more than 13. But so the possible number that Eddie thinking could be 4, 5, or 6. Because if 7, it's totally wrong because he said that the total number must be less than 13. But for double 7, we get 14. So it's not included. So maybe the possible number can be 4, 5, or 6.
6. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. I think that is clear for the book and the homework as well. Now we just move to the vocabulary list.
Yes, thank you, sir.
Okay, so now we have a vocabulary list here. I will ask start from the mat first. So for the mat, we have double.
Doubles, two times as much. Uh, it means something that have the same number of thing. We make the total is same as much. For example, when you have, sorry, for example, double three, it means when you have three and then the total will six. You will get six. When you double three, you will get six.
Count.
Counts, find the total number. So we use count when we want to know the total number of something. For example, you count apples because you want to know the total of the apples, how many the apples are.
Share.
Share is give something to others. It means that when you have something and you want to give it to the others, for example, like you give your time, you give your ideas, things like food to the others, and it show kindness and caring.
Okay, next we move to matematika. Bangun datar dua dimensi. Bangun datar.
Bangun datar, bentuk datar dari suatu benda, yaitu bentuk yang berbentuk datar, tidak memiliki tinggi atau ruang, yang hanya bisa kita lihat dari gambar, misalnya gambar di kertas.
Segitiga.
Segitiga, bentuk yang memiliki tiga sisi, yaitu salah satu bangun datar yang memiliki tiga sisi dan juga tiga sudut.
Segi empat.
Segi empat, yaitu bentuk yang memiliki empat sisi, yaitu salah satu bangun datar juga yang memiliki empat sisi seperti kotak.
Okay, next we move to English. We have a trick.
Trick.
No, it's a thread.
A treat,
Treat, right?
treat, special snack or reward. So it's a special thing that we get. For example, like snack or food that makes you happy, that makes you excited when you get it.
Okay, cheese sandwich.
Sandwich,
Cheese.
cheese sandwich. Cheese sandwich is bread filled with cheese. So cheese sandwich is the two slices of bread that we fill cheese between them. So the cheese is inside the two bread.
Okay, next we move to computer. We have different.
Different, not the same. So different is when the two things it's not same. They don't have similarities. For example, like a red apple and a green apple look different by the color and maybe the shape. They look different from each other.
Across.
Across from one side. So across is when you go from one side to the other side. For example, like you walking across the street or you walking across the playground. So when you want to move from one side to another side.
Okay, the last subject is about science. We have recycle bin.
Recycle bin, trash for recycling. So it is the place where we put our trash like bottles or papers. So we can recycle it. It means we can use it again to make our earth safe.
Rubber band.
Rubber bands is a stretches and holds. Rubber band is a small stretchy ring. We usually use it to hold many things. For example, like hold paper, hold pencil, food to make it tight and neat.
Okay, okay, Miss. I think that is all for our evaluation today. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you.